Hey guys, it's me Veronica and this is a new video. I am doing a packing video on how to pack your BRV Be Right Back for school or college. So if you're interested in watching, stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the backpack that I plan on using. It's called the Be Right Back by Jujube and the print is called the Empress. I actually did a video about this bag that I'll link in the description box below in case you're interested about all the details and all that stuff. So I really love this bag and I want to use it for school because it's super comfortable and I'm just hoping that it works for me. So let's get into it. The first thing I'm gonna do is put my scientific calculator in this front long pocket right here because it fits in there perfectly. Close it. And right here, what is considered the mommy pocket, I am going to place a few things. It opens up like that. I have some index cards. They're plain, so for note taking. And I'm gonna go and put those in this mesh pocket right here. Oh, I already have some reading glasses that I stuffed in here just to see how it would fit. So I have reading glasses in here. Another thing that I am looking for currently, because I don't know what I just did with it. Oh, it's underneath everything. I'm gonna be putting my student ID inside of this little pocket right here. And I have some tissues that I'll just be sticking in that mesh pocket right next to the index cards. I'm gonna be using this medium set piece. The print is called Royal Gardens, and all I have in here are all my pens, pencils, all that stuff. So I'll be sticking that, and I'm just sticking this straight up. There's like a little spot in front of the mesh pocket that fits into. So that's all that's going in the mommy pocket. Of course, my phone will go into the tech pocket, and I'm recording on my phone right now, so that's why it's not going to be in there, but my phone will fit. Now, this opens all the way like a suitcase, but you can zip up the sides so that it doesn't open like that, and you don't have to worry about all of your, your stuff falling out. I'm going to open it all the way just so that I can fit everything in there easily. First thing I'm going to fit in here is this binder that I have. All that's in here is just some folders and some lined paper. And that's going into that section. It also has a mesh pocket right here, but I don't think I'm gonna stick anything in there just yet. I also have a large set piece in the same print, Royal Gardens. And inside of here, I have a Happy Planner Mini. I use this mainly for journaling and scriptures and stuff like that. And in case you ladies out there, you pink ladies are wondering, if you own a mini, they do fit into the Happy Planner. They do fit into the large set piece. So I have some poly sticky notes that I've showed in my last video. I have sticky notes. I have some highlighters and some whiteout. So that's all I have in there. And what I'm gonna do actually, since there's this mesh pocket in the back, I'm gonna stick this in the back of there like that. I'm gonna zip this up really quickly because I want to stick something in a pocket in the back. It's already open. I took the change pad out of here, and what I'm going to be putting in here is my Happy Planner. It's upside down, sorry. I did end up doing a transformer planner with this one. I was going to Franken plan, but I ended up turning it to a transformer planner, which I'll probably do a video on that next to show you guys what it looks like and how I have my planner set up. But this part of my planner is my school planner, and then when I open it up in a different way, it's my home and life and bills and all that other stuff planner. So it's super thick. And I am going to put this in here. And it fits back there. The classic size Happy Planner does fit in that back pocket, guys. And I have expander rings on there, and it fits back there. Alright, so I'm going to go open this up again. I have like a few books, and I know I'm not going to be carrying all of them at once, so I'm just going to like do like a demo of like a books that I know I'm going to be carrying the days that I am in school. So I'm just going to stick those in there and see how everything zips up. Perfect. On top, this it's like a hidden pocket, is where I'll be keeping my wallet. That's about it. And that's it. It is pretty heavy, as to be expected, but I carried another backpack. It was a Victoria's Secret backpack, and it was super uncomfortable because the straps, the padding just wasn't enough. With this one, I love how much padding that these straps have. It's super comfortable, so I'm really excited about using this bag as my backpack now instead of my diaper bag. Also comes with 2 bottle pockets, so I'll be carrying bottles of water as well. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I feel like it's a little crooked, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful in some way. If you own a BRB and you're looking for a backpack and you're going to school, the BRB definitely holds a lot. So this actually makes a great backpack for school. And I will be doing some more videos. Like I said, I will be doing another planner related video showing you guys how I transform my planner and what it looks like now. Also, other videos I'll be doing or showing you items and products that I'll be making for my business. So be on the lookout for those. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. You guys enjoy your day.